Guys, hari ini Anu mau pergi LLT guys sama nenek Anu. Sisi Anu mau ngomong Anu. Dan Mimi ada Hanir pipi Anu. Ikutin Anu ya. Dadah.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon it all. It's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me.
Guys, hari ini kami bakal kill Mami Rapi Mal guys.
Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all. 'Cause I can
Di tengah jalan ada badut guys, jadi kayak kakak joget bersama badut. Asik banget.
in my heart, 'cause I wouldn't know how to move on.
Guys, hari ini kita udah ambil tiket guys. Jadi kita langsung pergi nih ke LLT-nya. Karena LLT-nya belum datang. Jadi kita tungguin dulu guys. Jangan lupa kita foto di depan LLT, di depan kan LLT dulu guys. Kita duduk sampai foto. Kita mau naik ke atas karena LLT-nya udah nyampe, udah ketemu kayaknya nyampe.
Still recall that even now, when time has passed, I
LLT-nya udah nyampe guys. Nah, jadi kita langsung naik ke atas. Ini dia depannya bagus guys.
stay in my heart. 'Cause
Kita naiknya di stasiun EJKA ya guys.
even now, when time has passed, I owe you all. 'Cause I could not bring myself to trial. Yeah, even now, when we are all stay in my heart. 'Cause I wouldn't know how to move on. Yeah, I wouldn't know how to move on. Even now, when we are all stay in my heart. 'Cause I wouldn't know how to.
Seru banget guys, kakak lihat McD dari atas LLT.
When time has passed, I owe you all. 'Cause I could not bring myself to try.
Sekarang kita melewatkan jembatan Ampela guys.
When we are all staying
Nah, sekarang kita harus nyampe di bandara guys.
to move on.
Hai, kakak ketiduran sama mama karena kakak ini ngantuk guys. Oke, waktunya pulang guys, kita ke rumah.
I wouldn't know how to move on.